Welcome to Premath. In this video tutorial, we are going to solve this given system of two equations. And here are these two equations. 6 power x plus 6 power y equals to 42. And our second equation is x plus y equals to 3. So let's go ahead and get started with the solution. And here's the very first thing we are going to do. Let me go ahead and call this very first equation as equation number 1. And this second equation I'm going to call equation number 2. And here's our next step. Let's go ahead and focus on our equation number 1, which is right up here. And now we are going to multiply both sides of this equation 1 by 6 power x. So let me go ahead and write down 6 power x times the left hand side of this equation 1, which is 6 power x plus 6 power y, equal to, on the right hand side I can write 42 times 6 power x. And now let's go ahead and distribute. We are going to distribute, so that's going to become 6 power x times 6 power x plus 6 power x times 6 power y equal to 42 times 6 power x. So now let's go ahead and apply this product rule. So this 6 power x times 6 power x could be written as 6 power 2x plus 6 power x plus y equal to 42 times 6 power x. Now let's focus on this part, 6 power 2x. I have just copied it down right up here. Now this 6 power 2x could be written as 6 power x and then power 2 by using this power rule. So therefore this 6 power 2x could be written as 6 power x and then power 2 and then plus 6, and then we can see that this x plus y is equal to 3 from this equation 2. So I can write x 6 power 3 equals to 42 times 6 power x. And now let's focus on this 6 power x and 6 power x. So I am going to make a substitution. So I'm going to say let u equal to 6 power x. So therefore this above equation is going to become simply u square plus this 6 power 3 could be written as 216. So I can write 216 equal to 42 times u. Now let's go ahead and move this 42u on the left hand side. So we could write this one as u square minus 42u plus 216 equal to 0. And now let's move on to the right hand side as we are running out of space on the left. So we can see that this is our quadratic equation and we are going to solve this quadratic equation by factoring. So this quadratic equation could be factored out into u minus 6 times u minus 36 equal to 0. And since we got these two factors equal to 0, I can separate them. I can split them up. I can say u minus 6 equal to 0 or u minus 36 equal to 0. So therefore, our one value of u equal to 6 and the other value of u is going to be 36. But we know that our u is equal to 6 power x, so I can write this one 6 power x equal to, this 6 could be written as 6 power 1. Since we have the same bases, so that means we can equate our exponent. So x is equal to 1 value. Now let's focus on this other side. Once again, u is 6 power x, so I can write 6 power x equal to, on the right hand side, this 36 could be written as 6 power 2, and once again we have the same basis 6, so therefore we can equate our exponent. So that means our exponent x equals to 2 value. So thus we got two x values as x equal to 1 and x equal to 2, and now we are going to find their corresponding y values. And here's our next step. Let's focus on this x equal to 1 value. Then this equation 2 is going to become, and here I have copied down x plus y equal to 3. Let's go ahead and solve for y. And if I replace x by 1 plus y equal to 3, let's move this 1 on the right hand side. So y turns out to be 3 minus 1. That means our y value turns out to be 2. Thus our one solution turns out to be simply, our x value is 1 and then y value is 2. And now let's focus on the other value of x, which is 2. So if x equal to 2 value, then this equation 2 is going to become, and here I have copied down this equation 2, x plus y equal to 3. Let's go ahead and substitute x equal to 2 value over here, 2 plus y equal to 3. Let's solve for x. Let's move this 2 on the right hand side. So we got y equal to 3 minus 2. So that means our y value turns out to be simply 1. So thus our other solution turns out to be simply, our x value is 2 comma corresponding value is y equal to 1. So this turns out to be a 2 comma 1. So thus our complete solution to this given system of two equations, 6 power x plus 6 power y equal to 42 and x plus y equal to 3, turns out to be 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 1, and that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.